Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Mailchimp to nurture seller leads, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Audience tab. If you don't have an audience set up yet, click on Create Audience. Fill in the necessary details for your audience, such as the name and defaults. Make sure to save your audience settings. Now, let's integrate Mailchimp with your lead generation platform. Go to the Integrations tab on your Mailchimp dashboard. Search for the platform you're using to gather seller leads. Follow the instructions provided by Mailchimp to complete the integration. After integration, ensure that your seller leads are being captured correctly in your Mailchimp audience. To segment your seller leads, go back to the Audience tab. Click on Manage Contacts and then select Segments. Create a new segment for your seller leads based on specific criteria. Use tags to categorize your leads for better organization. Next, it's time to set up automated email campaigns. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the Mailchimp dashboard. Click on Create Campaign and choose Email. Select Automated and then Welcome Series to start nurturing your leads. Customize the email sequence to include valuable content for sellers. Use personalization tags to make your emails more engaging. Schedule your emails to go out at appropriate intervals. Monitor the performance of your email campaigns through the Reports section. Analyze open rates and engagement to refine your strategy. Adjust your email content based on the feedback and data you collect. Continue to nurture your seller leads with consistent communication and valuable resources. Stay updated on Mailchimp's features to maximize your outreach efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.